Even the highest quality LED displays can develop pixel failure. Today, we're restoring a 0.9mm LED module with IMD pixel technology. First, we carefully remove the damaged LEDs without disturbing surrounding components. Precision is everything at this scale. Next, we clean the solder pads, removing excess flux and debris. A smooth surface is key for a perfect replacement. Now, we position the flux PCB, ensuring a secure foundation for the new LEDs. Using controlled heat, we fuse the new LEDs in place, restoring seamless brightness and color accuracy. Every module undergoes rigorous testing to ensure flawless performance. The display is now fully restored. Need expert LED repairs? Azar Pixel has you covered. Contact us today.